Ministry of National Rural Health Mission Saitu Gamphajol Block ki makhada that 26 March numidda nomagi oiba training macha ama pangthokre. Hairiba thoram asi Kangpokpi manong channa leiba Saitu Gamphajol Asha Health Workers singi damakta Gamnom Community Hall da training chathari. Pangthokhiba thoram aduda Saitu Gamphajol PTC gi Senior Medical Officer in Charge Dr. Jamlal Haukip, Ayush Dr. Thingnei Them Khongsai amasung Staff Nurse Ningnei Kim, Ninghoi Them, AFPHC Gamphajol na Resource Person oina wangangki. Haukiba March 23 numidda Red Shield Division gi makhada Maha Regiment na Pineal Care Center ga khutsamnaduna Operation Sadbhavna 2023-2024 gi makhada mateng pangbikhi. Hairiba Pineal Care Center asi drugs amasung alcohol addiction oiriba inmates singidamak rehabilitation center oikhi. Care Center gi maphamda nauna sariba rooms kaya Indian Army digi Colonel R.K. Vikramna inaugurate tawki. Pineal Care Center se Kangpokpi District manung channa leiriba Champhai Subdivision makhada Kaithamanbi Military Colony da leiri. Adum oinamak Care Center asigi founder retired Pachon Kipgen na thoram aduda saruk yakhiba makok mathang tarabasingda mana ikai khumnakhi. Kangpokpi District Administration na helicopter service ki trial landing ama helipad oina semgatliba Saparmaina public ground da March 26 da maipak na chathakre. Thorang asi Kangpokpi Kendra MLA Nemcha Kipgen gi makhada chathakhibani. Thoram aduda District Administration gi staff sing SP Kangpokpi na luchingba police team ama amasong District Hospital Kangpokpi gi medical team na saruk yakhi. Helipad asi Lok Sabha election phawba matam kharagi oina sijinakhini. Manipur gi Outer Parliamentary Constituency ahum 46 cycle 50 Kangpokpi amasong 52 Saitu asi April 19, 2024 da ahanba phase da vote hadagani. Taranipan suba Lok Sabha Mikhalgi akhanaba masak amadi Bharat ki Election Commission na tongan ba khungangi displaced miyoi singbu akhanaba polling stations kharada vote hadaba yabagi ayaba pikre. Kangpokpi jila sida apunba oina akhanaba polling station 24 lay. Masi Rajya asigi khwaidagi yamba oiri. Masigi mathakta latest special summary revision gi matung inna jila asida normal polling station 166 lay. Mikal gi same saba oina district asigi manungda March 25 digi March 29 phawba tongan ba training sing chathaduna leikhi. Punna polling personnel 1,136 na training asida saru yakhi. Training asi District Election Officer Mahesh Chaudhary gi mityang makhada Mikhal asi ningthina amasung efficient oina pangthoknaba presiding officers singi maru oina thodang gi matangda pikhi. Training asigi pandamdi polling personnel singbu responsibility effectively pangthoknaba necessary losing pinaba oikhi. Masigi mathakta District Election Officer na voters masing yamna thoraktuna saruk yanaba school, college amasung relief center singda voter singi education asi active oina promote tori. 18 Lok Sabha General Election ga mari leinana nupi 186 polling personnel singna training loisinkre. Hairiba training asigi thoram se Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council Kangpokpi District Headquarters da chathari. Thoram aduda experienced trainers Sri D.K. Thangboy IAS Joint Secretary Government of Manipur, Nodal Officer for EVMs Management Sri Lamilal Simte amasung Sri S. Plim Rekinamai SDO Island and Thongtin Block na polling personnel singbu training pikhi.